Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Jeff in Virginia on this Galaxy DX 2517. Jeff got it ready to go for you, bud. Tune and alignment, voltage regulator upgrade, MOSFET upgrade. Went ahead and put the ultra bright white LED wide angles in your meters. Just don't like them real dim wheat bulbs, okay? Get right to it. Our power all the way down. 5-watt slug. Just a little less than a half a watt. And roll it up right there at 5 watts. 50-watt slug, average power. Oh, and it's floating around 17, 18 bird. Peak power. Oh, 40 peak. Alright, Jeff, it's ready to come to you. I hope you enjoy. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump, bump.